Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, and let me show you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings, so let's do it, and now we have to find and tap on security and lock screen. Let's scroll to the privacy section, and on the second position we've got encryption and credentials, and at the very top, bottom of the list, we've got clear credentials option. So let's tap on it, and if you are ready to remove all the contents, tap on OK. If you've got a pattern or a pin, then enter to confirm, and as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. So that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.